lovers. Welcome to my film news. On my channel, I'll keep you daily updated about Kaiser Chiefs. So kindly subscribe to my channel so I can daily update you about Kaiser Chiefs. Kaiser Chiefs are without their captain, Yusuf Maat, for their preseason tour in the New Orleans. With an overseas move immediately, Matt, who recently his who extended his contract with Kaiser Chiefs, did not travel with the team. They depart on Tuesday night for Amsterdam, despite Australia signing a new contract. An Australian club is close to secure the signing of the former Sydney United captain, who is currently in South Africa awaiting his work visa. It appears that the two clubs have reached an agreement, but the 20-year-old player is still waiting the issuance of his visa. For more Killer Chiefs updates, kindly subscribe to my channel so I can daily update you about Kaiser Chiefs.